You like an animal. Without me, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. Oh, you know you're in love when you come for the sea, because we are.
Hey guys, so today I have this video. I want to follow Abby's Choice. It's a channel. I want to follow her procedure. She just uploaded a video of how to whiten your teeth, and I've placed all the things that I need here. And you'll need a board, a cutting board, you'll need glue, you'll need your toothbrush, you'll need a baking soda, you'll need your Colgate, you'll need a lemon, but you'll not use it. You'll need ginger and a grater. So mind you, I've washed them already, so I'll have to cut this into half and extract some juice, and I'll put it on this bowl. Take one piece and take some of the juice. Okay, she said let it be. I'll use that later for salad. Next step is I'll just peel the skin and I'll grate some of it, not too much, just some of it. Okay, I've grated just part of the ginger, and I'll mix this ginger in here. I've just removed the seeds. Now the next step, it's a quarter of baking soda. Okay, I guess that's a quarter. And then you'll need your toothpaste, just a bit like in normal, the way you use normal toothpaste. Just that amount. You take your toothbrush and you mix them all. So my mixture is ready. Let's head to the bathroom and try. Oh my God. I hope this works. Let's go. Okay, that will work. So she said that my tooth is not that colored, mist color. I have a tooth gap. I know, I love it. Let's see if it will work. Okay, this is the mixture. I've not added anything, so I'll just brush normally and then I'll wash it off.
It's so shy.
It's burning. It's burning. The ginger is burning. I don't know if it's the ginger, baking soda, or the lemon, but it's burning. I don't see any difference. Oh God, it's burning. The ginger is burning. So guys, you try by yourself and see if you can see any difference. Me, I don't see any difference. My teeth look just the same. I cannot see any difference. So you guys try it at home. Everything you need is there in the beginning of the video, even in the description. I'll just put it out. So my tongue still burns. Bye. I guess not everything on YouTube is real. Bye.